Okay, so here's my problem. Okay, so first when I turn it over, camera here. That click. That. So I don't know what that is. Need help on that. Also the shaft can freely rotate forward. And I don't know if there's something that's supposed to prevent that. Because I'm thinking there should be. Because if you go over, this is the front. It goes forward, but it can't go backward. So I'm pretty sure there's something that's supposed to prevent it on here. And I don't know what it is. So, if you can help, thanks.